Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, friends, I am on behalf of my team, my message media. So, today I wanted to discuss about the key points, about the definition, about the important points, about the origin of the Christianity. So, the definition of Christianity: Christmas is an annual festival, the birth of Jesus Christ, observed primarily on December 25. So, as a religion and cultural celebration among billions of people around the world, Christmas is celebrated to remember the birth of Jesus Christ, who Christians believe is son of God. The name Christmas comes mass of Christmas, a mass service which sometimes called communion or communion, is where Christmas remember that Jesus dies for us and then come back to life. And the different dates of Christmas celebrations are as follows. So the Christmas is celebrated differently in different region of world. Some follows the date as December 25. Western Christianity and the part of Eastern churches follows the date as follows at December 25. They follow Western Christianity and the Eastern churches follows the December 25 as they celebrate the birth of Christ, and the different parts are on January 7. Most Oriental Orthodox and part of Eastern Orthodox churches follows the date of the birth of Christ, and January 6 is followed by some of the peoples of Anabaptists such as Armenian Apostolic Church, and some peoples follows the January 19th Armenian Patriarchs of Jerusalem. Although the month and date of Jesus' birth are unknown, the month and the birth of the Jesus Christ are till now unknown. The church is early 4th century fixed the date as 25th century. This corresponds to the dates of the winter of the Rome calendar. So the Christmas date is followed as per the Rome calendar, and most Christians celebrate on 25th December in the Georgian calendar, which was almost adopted universally. So 25th December is followed globally and universally as the birth of Jesus Christ. So I wanted to give you a brief introduction about the festival. Brief introduction of the Christmas does not appear in the list of festival given in the early Christians. So basically, Christmas does not appear in the early stage, in the early ADs, in early Christian writers. The origin and Anabis both fault the pagans for celebrating birthdays. So the different pagans, the popes, recommended the persons to follow the birthdays of different celebrations. So which suggested that Christmas was not celebrated in their times. So the Christmas is not celebrated in AD 297 AD. So a chronological of 355-4 records that a Christmas celebration took place in Rome. So as per the records, as per the writers, the Christmas have been followed first in the Rome in 366 AD. It took place in 366 AD. The things that practice on the Christmas day. So I wanted to share the things that are practiced on the Christmas day between Christians. First, they will attend the church. They will attend the prayers at the day of Christmas day, and they will attend different activities that are held in the church, and following that they will decorate the church, they will decorate their houses, and they will decorate their surroundings as per the follow the birthday of the Jesus Christ. And nativity play means they will play some kind of music, and this nativity play is more famous in Italy. So the people all over the world visit Italy to overview the nativity play that is followed in Italy, and music and Carlos. Music and Carlos is played on the day of Christmas as to allocate and as to remember the day, birth of Jesus Christ, and the tradition cuisines, the tradition foods that are prepared on the Christmas are also followed on the Christmas day, and gifts, the gifts will be given to the children and who are needy. The cards and different things have been provided by the Christian to the different peoples among the locality. And Christmas is a festival commemorating the birth of Jesus Christ. So as per the writers, the Christmas is celebrated after the Jesus Christ left this world after 365 years ago. So till now the Christmas has followed from 1695. Christmas remembers that Jesus died for us and then came back to life. So the different dates are followed by different peoples, although the months and the dates are vary from region to region. So thank you. Hope I have provided you the basics information about the Christmas, the importance of the important places, dates of Christmas. Thank you.